What I wanna be. Bore da chi, sydd chi heddiw. How are we? Morning. Have a beautiful morning. Morning, Cariad. You okay?
Well, a normal day today, I'll be honest with you, there isn't a normal day today, so every day is different.
My name is Richard Lane. I'm known as the singing security guard.
And my name's Jordan. I'm one of the security supervisors for the Grange University Hospital. We are, a lot of the time, the first point of contact for anybody visiting the site, whether that be patients, visitors and staff. So we do find ourselves sometimes in a position where we have to show a little bit of care to patients coming in. So there's some sick and poorly people coming to the hospital, or there's some visitors who are visiting the sick and poorly. So we do help and we do aid with people like that, yeah, when they're coming in.
My role, I think, basically is to put people at ease, making people feel safe and secure with regard to being in a friendly clinical environment. Security is a positive thing at the end of the day. Like I say, we are there in times of need.
So yeah, it is good to be in, maybe a physical presence, but in the height of it, the best part is being a caring person to the people visiting the hospital. You also need to be a good talker. It's not all about having to grab hold of people and things like that. It's not your best. The best tool is your mouth. Security work alongside all the departments. I think we're not just like an outsourced part. We're all one big family. Going
around the different departments, it just highlights the fact that you're there, you're friendly and you're approachable, which I think goes a long way.
But for general duties, it's an internal and an external patrol of the site, and also just being a general presence and a deterrent to any potential crime.
I think a smile and a nod and a good morning, it goes much further than anything else you could do. Some would say even you're over the valley, but there you are. But I just like the smile and positivity it puts on a place. To be fair, you never know what somebody's doing. You never know what they're going through, what's in front of them. And in all fairness, it's nice to have that little bit of light, I suppose. Sunshine on a rainy day.
We may have somebody on a ward who's not very well and they may need security assistance, or sometimes it's just a case of being a shoulder to cry on, someone to lean on and just have a good chat with. You're going home and you just know you've done your job well in that day. The hospital is safe, people are safe on the site, you've deterred crime to the best of your ability, and it's just making sure that you've had a positive outcome and the staff are happy with your presence too.
I think after the pandemic, people were brought down so low, and it was quite a bleak time in all fairness. And like I say, coming out of it now, we need to thank everybody for the outstanding work that they've done, each and every individual. And me being positive and proactive, I think I'm helping, putting that pat on their shoulder, and I'd like to continue as long as I may.
If anyone's ever visited the hospital and you see a security officer on site, now we're always a friendly face, we always want to talk to you. So just even if you want to pop over and have a little chat with us, we really appreciate it of your time.